John Lambert. John Lambert was born on 29th January 1860 in Ohio. He built the first gasoline-powered single-cylinder vehicle. His gasoline-powered vehicle could reach speed as high as 5 miles per hour. Despite the fact that his invention was a huge success, the design of the vehicle was turning out to be a major problem. With 2 wheels in back and one in front, the car was not balanced. Lambert improved the design and put 2 wheels both in front and the back of the car. He placed the gasoline-powered single-cylinder engine in this new improved car. But unfortunately, a fire destroyed that car even before it was put to test. Despite this, he is credited with inventing the first gasoline-driven car in the world. John Lambert died in Anderson, Indiana on 20th May 1952. John Logie Baird. John Logie Baird is a well-known name in the world of television, for this Scottish engineer was the first one to have invented the world's first publicly demonstrated television system, as well as the first ever fully electronic color television tube. The son to a clergyman, showed the signs of ingenuity right from his childhood days, when he once rigged up a telephonic exchange just to cure his boredom. His early career was bridled with the uncanny events of the First World War. Soon after its end, John Logie Baird moved to England, and it was there where he devised his first ever practical television system. Its effects had started to show results right from 1924, when he managed to send a few flickering images across a distance. But the real breakthrough came 2 years later, in 1926, when he made his first successful demonstration in front of the most eminent scientists in the world. This great legend passed away on 14th June 1946, leaving us all forever indebted. John von Neumann. John von Neumann was primarily a mathematician and wrote numerous papers on both pure and applied math. He also made important contributions to a number of other fields of inquiry, including quantum physics, economics, and computer science. Von Neumann studied mathematics, physics, and chemistry at German and Swiss universities for several years, finally receiving a PhD in mathematics from the University of Budapest in 1926. While at Los Alamos, von Neumann became impressed with the need to develop computational equipment technology that could carry out the enormously complex mathematical calculations which the then scientists had to carry out by hand. In 1944, von Neumann became involved with efforts to develop computers, most notably ENIAC, which was then the most powerful device under construction. In summary, von Neumann rethought the basic design of the computer into the separate components of arithmetic function: central control, memory, and the input and output devices. Under von Neumann's supervision, a computer with these capabilities was developed at the Institute of Advanced Studies from 1946 to 1951. John Vincent Atanasoff. John Vincent Atanasoff was born on 4th October 1903 in Hamilton, New York. His father was Ivan Atanasoff. John Vincent Atanasoff finished his schooling from Mulberry High School in the year 1925, and hence he composed his bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from the University of Florida. Afterward, he unremitted his studies. In the year 1926, he got his master's degree in mathematics from Iowa State College. The modern digital computer is founded by John Vincent Atanasoff, which is known as Atanasoff-Berry computer. In the past time, the Monroe calculator was in use for computing, and this was the finest device to be had at that time. Then, Atanasoff started researching for a modern and faster computing device. Thus, in the year 1936, he found the analog calculator that was helpful to examine the surface geometry. The modern digital computer is his great invention that has a great use nowadays. He died on 15th June 1995 at the age of 95. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.